Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a recipe that is great for a busy day where you don't have a ton of time to cook, but you still want to eat something fresh and healthy, and this is just one of my favorites, so let's get into it. You want to prepare some oil in a pan on medium to high heat, and you want to add your pre-made gnocchi into that. You want to make sure that they're covered in the oil, and then you want to let them sit for a little while until they're golden brown. Meanwhile, you can cut down the onion, you can cut down the carrot, and I decided to go for these longer sticks for the carrots, and I think it worked out quite well in the recipe. Then you want to give it a good mix so they get golden brown from both sides. Cut down the bell pepper. So I'm only using half a bell pepper. You can use more if you prefer that. And then the zucchini as well. When all of the vegetable is chopped, your gnocchi should be ready nice and golden brown, so you want to set them to the side so you can reuse the pan. Heat up a little bit more of oil and then add in all the chopped vegetables, and as you can see, this didn't work without an accident for me. And then you want to start just frying the vegetables for a little while. You want to add some salt as well so that all the excess water gets out of the vegetables. Meanwhile, again, while that sits on medium to high heat, you want to go ahead and cut down the feta cheese into smaller little chunks. And when you are happy with the vegetables the way that they look, you can then add in the tomatoes and also a little bit of tomato paste, and then give that a good mix and let that sit on medium to high heat for about 5 minutes so it reduces a little bit. You can add some Italian herbs for spices, as well as a little bit of chili flakes if you want to, and then give that a good mix again. Now you want to go ahead and add back in the gnocchi, and you can turn off the heat now. You also want to add in the feta cheese, and last but not least, a little bit of garlic, and then give that a good mix, and you're basically ready to serve. Let that just cool down the slightest little bit, and then you can enjoy it. I hope you give this a try. It's such an easy and quick recipe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.